Hello again, it's Chaseys Budgies. Just thought I'd give you an update on where we're going with the youngsters and everything. These are the ones that are just going through the molt from the first batch of eggs. Some nice looking youngsters there, all got their backs to us of course. Let's walk around here a little bit and see them a little bit clearer. There's nice opaline. And there's a lovely normal green. The one next to it, the opaline, the cinnamon opaline, that's the one that had that was feather plucked and slowly coming through it. What else we got? There's lovely normal green over the end, right in the corner there, the hen. That's a good bird as well. There's quite some nice little birds in there. Well, I say little birds, they're quite big. So that's the sort of junior flight for the first round. So I'll keep looking here. Well, there's one or two there, been in a bit of a fight, bit of blood around. There's that grey-green as well. Is it a grey-green? No, normal green. It's got a bit of a chunk out of its head. But yeah. These ones up here, these are all to go. I'm not keeping any of those. Nice colours, but no good. And these ones I'm keeping. This was from the last round. We got 6 hens and 3 cocks, which are ratio 2-to-1, which is good. They're okay, but we'll reassess them when they molted out and do what we've got to do. In the rest of the shed, I've got a few pairs still in. I haven't broken these up yet. So we've got some pinkies there, 3 in there with a couple of eggs. They're looking good. And in this one we've got 3 babies here, none of which are anything to write home about, if I'm honest. Sort of pet birdie type thing. So I won't be keeping any of those, I'm afraid. Just about to break this pair up. They're not doing anything at all. What they've produced has been not so good, so I'm not giving them another chance and breaking them up. She's an opaline hen that you can see at the back there. And then finally we got 2 opalines here, and in that box we have 2 chicks. They're looking quite a size actually for how old they are. Yeah, so it's looking pretty good. So basically that's about it. Let's just go on to the internal flight for the older birds. They're coming from the cold now. You can't see this very well, I don't think. There we go. Gives some sort of flavour of what's happening in the shed. Another one had a bit of a fight there, that opaline. And guess what? They can all fly. like that blue, quite nice. The clear body there. Oh, I didn't show you the what came from that clear body. Nothing very good actually. Let's have a look. Come on then. Let's have a look. There's the hen that I paired him up to. And what we've got is that clear body chick you can just about see. Not much haven't got much of a head. And there's a sibling there. So doesn't seem to want to perch. None of those seem to want to perch at the moment. But they'll be going in with the others later on. Anyway, so that's about it. So I'll see you next time then. Hope you've enjoyed this little visit. See ya.